I'm sorry, but don't wanna talk. I need a moment before I go. It's nothing personal. I draw the blinds. They don't need to see me cry, 'cause even if they understand, they don't understand. So then when I'm finished, I'm all by myself.